Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset and restore your Dell Latitude 10E tablet back to a factory state on your Windows 10 operating system running device. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick and straightforward tutorial for you guys today. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu, just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in Reset. Best match should say reset this PC. You want to left click on that option. Now on the recovery page, you want to go to where it says reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstall Windows. Left click on get started. Now we have two options here. Keep your files, which will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. And the second option will remove everything, which will remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. First option seems kind of misleading a little bit because it will remove apps and settings, so it's not really keeping all of your files. And depending on where you put your personal files on your computer, they might still be removed. So in either case, I would highly recommend that you guys create a backup of your important documents and pictures onto some kind of external media device. But for the purpose of this video, I want to remove everything, do a complete clean factory restore. So I'm going to select remove everything, remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. So I'm just going to left click on that. And keep in mind there's going to be a couple more prompts and I have to go through here. Do you want to clean the drives too? First option, just remove your files, which is quicker but less secure. This is going to be if you're going to be keeping your PC. Second option, remove your files and clean the drive. Basically, if you're going to be donating it or giving it to another party, I would suggest giving the second option a go. But for most people, just removing your files should be sufficient. So I'm going to left click on that. This won't take long, so just be patient. And then our final prompt here before we begin should say ready to reset this PC. Resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, all apps and programs, as well as any changes made to settings. This will take a while and your PC will restart. Left click on the reset button. This will begin. Okay, so at this point you're going to enter in some information. You're going to enter your country, preferred language, keyboard layout, and what time zone you're in. And then once you've checked all of that, you're going to select next. It'll begin applying these settings. You're going to have to accept the end user license agreement. You can use express settings to instantly get back and speed up the process a little bit, or you can click on customize right here. It should be the middle button, and you can customize what you're exactly installing when you're resetting Windows 10. So if you want to disable sending input data to Microsoft, you can deselect that by clicking inside of these horizontal boxes, and you can go through and check them out on your own, but I'm going to keep most of them default how they are, and I'm going to select next here. I'm going to select next again, and you guys are more than welcome to go check through and see exactly what you are agreeing to. I'm just trying to speed this video up a little bit. Okay, so at this point you have the option to enter in your Microsoft account credentials if you were previously using a Microsoft account to use your account. You could also create a new Microsoft account, or you could skip this step and create a local account on your computer, which what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do a quick little example for you guys. I am not going to enable Cortana, so I'm going to select not now. And there we go. We can see we are logging into Windows, and it should be a fresh installed Windows we are logging into right now. Okay, so we actually have an update waiting, but I'm not going to select that, so I'm going to do not now, bottom left. Okay everybody, I'm back. So it looks like our Dell Latitude tablet has been restored back to factory settings. At this point, feel free to reinstall any applications that were removed in the factory reset process. And once you're done getting your computer set up the way you like it, I would suggest creating a system restore or backup of your computer at that time, just as a good practice. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.